You are tuned in to the 5-Minute Signal, Business and Wealth. I am Vivian Thorne, economic strategist. This is not a finance podcast. This is a blueprint for building and defending your economic fortress. We don't do speculation here, we do strategy. 5 minutes on the clock, let's get to work. The opening bell this Monday, March 2nd, 2026, is not merely a signal of daily trade, it is a siren. Over the weekend, the launch of Operation Epic Fury transformed the Middle East from a theater of tension into a zone of high-intensity conflict. As US and Israeli strikes dismantle Iranian infrastructure, the global markets are reacting with cold, mathematical precision. We are seeing an immediate, violent rotation. The Nasdaq is hemorrhaging, with pre-market AI darlings like Nvidia and Alphabet down nearly 8%, as investors realize that generative creativity doesn't stop a cruise missile. Meanwhile, the defense and energy sectors are gapping up, fueled by a sudden, desperate demand for hard assets and kinetic capability. Why does this matter to you? Because the era of the soft pivot is over. For 2 years, the markets have been intoxicated by the promise of AI as a tool for efficiency and entertainment. That was a peacetime luxury. Today, the world has shifted to a war footing. The flight to reality means capital is moving out of speculative software that might produce profit in 5 years and into hardware that must function today. Operation Epic Fury has effectively popped the bubble of passive AI growth and replaced it with the urgent necessity of defense-integrated AI. The wealth that was built on digital vapor is now evaporating, seeking refuge in the techno-industrial complex that secures global trade routes. Here is the hard truth most will refuse to accept until their portfolios are in ruin. The peace dividend is dead. You cannot build a fortress on a foundation of hope and high price-to-earnings ratios. Many of you are still holding on to the tech leaders of 2025, praying for a buy-the-dip recovery. This is not a dip, it is a structural realignment. Geopolitics is once again the primary driver of capital. Those who continue to bet on the seamless, borderless growth of consumer tech are ignoring the fact that the borders are currently on fire. Wealth is not created by ignoring the chaos, it is captured by correctly identifying who profits from the response to it. To capitalize on this shift and defend your capital, you must take these 3 tactical steps immediately. 1. Purge the hope tech. Conduct a brutal audit of your portfolio. If a company relies on discretionary consumer spending or long-term AI research without immediate defense or government contracts, they are a liability. Cut the laggards before the retail crowd panics and drives the price to the floor. Cash is a position, but only if you use it to strike at the right moment. 2. Position in the kinetic triangle. Move your capital into companies that integrate AI with physical force and infrastructure. Look at the firms securing the $2.6 trillion defense budget for 2026. Specifically, focus on autonomous refueling, space-based surveillance, and agentic AI used for zero-trust cybersecurity. These are the utilities of the new era. They are no longer optional. They are the bedrock of the state. 3. Leverage the energy surge. With the Strait of Hormuz effectively under threat, the energy risk premium is back. leverage domestic energy infrastructure and the companies providing the logistics to bypass contested zones. This isn't just about oil, it's about the security of the entire supply chain by the providers of the armored global economy. Secure your position today so you aren't begging for liquidity tomorrow. I'm Vivian Thorne. This has been the 5-Minute Signal. Stay sharp. This program is for informational and educational purposes only. Economic strategist Vivian Thorne is not a licensed financial advisor. This content is not a substitute for professional, financial, investment, or legal advice. Always consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.